Three, two, one. Hi there, Robin here. And in this video, we are going to do a how to upload a video to YouTube. So how to upload a video to YouTube, pretty straightforward. You've got two options. Now we can go right on to our main screen here. Make sure you're logged in. Then you click on the create. Now you've got an option to upload a video, go live, or create. But more importantly, if you're looking for more options, let's say like how to upload a podcast or to place a post, you're going to go click on your actual little icon, go down here where it says YouTube Studio, click on that. If you're first time going there, this is a great place. You're going to find all kinds of neat stuff. Now, again, this is just my basic channel that I like to use for testing and trying things out and seeing how things work. So we're going to come up to the top corner again. We're going to see create, but now when we click on that, we're going to see more options. We have 5 options. We can upload, go live, create a post. We can do a new playlist, and we can also do a new podcast. So maybe one of these things is right for you. So what we're going to do is upload a video. Now, the important thing is here, we're going to need a video to upload, and we're just going to hit the select file. Once that opens, it's going to bring us right here. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to want to upload one of our little fishing video files of our little bear going for a fish. And I'm just using this because nice generated image. I did this before using AI and downloading some videos from Artlist. So here we are, fishing bear fishing. That's pretty much it. Bear fishing in the woods. Let's just title it. In the woods. And then you're going to need a description. Now, there's a couple of different ways of doing a description. I'm going to show you one of the ways. I've got a bear fishing in the woods, but I don't have a description. So let's see what we can do about cheating to get that, because I made this video pretty fast and I want to get some info. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT. So I'm posting a YouTube video of a bear fishing in the woods. It's in a mountain region, really nice. The bear actually catches a fish and then proceeds to eat it. So, and it's beautiful scenery. So I really like to capture that in the description. Can you help me with that?
Absolutely. How about this? Experience the breathtaking beauty of nature as we follow a bear in a peaceful mountain region, skillfully fishing in a clear stream. Witness the majestic moment as the bear catches a fish and enjoys its meal amidst stunning, serene scenery. This video captures the raw essence of wildlife and the tranquil beauty of the mountains. This should set the scene nicely for your viewers.
Great job. Let's do that.
Awesome. I'm glad you liked it. Let me know if you need anything else. Good luck with your video.
So now I've done it. You can see I've done it twice here. So I'm going to actually just take this one here and I'm going to copy this guy right here. This is using AI, but this is not the way they when they ask you, was AI used to make this video? This is not what they're talking about. Okay. So this is the video right here. Now there is a point in which AI was used to make this video. You're going to find out about that in a second once we get to it. Now, at this point here, the video is only 39 seconds long. It's uploading the video for me. It's finished, actually. Right down here, it says, high def completed, no issues. Great, wonderful. So we don't have a playlist for it, but if we want to make a playlist, we can make a playlist. And we can call it Outdoors. So we call it the Outdoors. Outdoors. Just like that. So we've created a playlist, Outdoors. You can add a description if you want. Fun outside. Fun outside. Now you can get into a lot more. You can have this as a visible public. You can add dates. You can do all that. We're going to create that. So now we actually have a playlist. Now you don't have to put things in a playlist when you first start. If this is your first video or first 3 videos, you don't have to. You can go back and revisit that. Now, for now, we have this as completed. I mean, look at that. They can say next and you don't even have to see more. It's ready to go. But we do want to give it a little bit more options to it. So we're going to go and click on the show now. My video contains paid. No, it does not. So I don't have to click on that. Do any of the following describe in your video? Generate a realistic looking scene that does not actually exist. So now we're going to say it's a scene that does not exist. I'm going to say no. And then what we're going to do is we're going to move down here. Now we have an option to have a collaboration. This is when you invite somebody. So if 2 of you are working on a video or something like that, you can add that in. But right now you just want to be able to upload that video. Automatically add chapters is always a good thing if you're not going to do it manually. It's something that basically puts in all those little details for you. Tags down below. And then we're going to get to little details. Okay, so tags are important. This is where you get to put in all the words that really describe, bear in the woods. Hit enter, bear fishing. And you can add as many as you want. You can go all the way up to 500. Now you have language options. If you haven't done this before, you basically want to add language options to it. I just usually put English. If there's no language, then there's no language. So you have that option. Right now, this video here is just playing music. So I'm going to put English, but I don't think that's of any great importance. Language and video location, no. Certificates, no. Recorded date, we don't need to worry about all that's going to be a standard. License, we're going to offer this. Now, license, you do have options to basically now you're going to carry mostly a standard license when it comes to videos like this. Allow embedding, this is what other people can do. Publish to subscription feeds and notify subscribers. Absolutely, that's our intention, and let everybody know that video's out there. If you don't want to push this video to your subscribing feeds or notify anybody, you can uncheck that. Sometimes that has to do when the video is a little off the beaten path. You don't want to tell the algorithm, you don't want to tell your viewers the wrong message. So if you're looking at a video that is kind of off the beaten path, again, that's very important. Not something you normally publish or something you're publishing specifically for something, then you may turn this off. Shorts remix, allow video and audio to be remixed, allow only the audio to be remixed. Don't allow remixing at all. Now, you can hang off of that because they will give you some credit to it if you do that. So I leave that alone for now. I haven't seen a problem yet. It does concern me occasionally with my other channels, but with this one, we're going to leave that on. Science technology, not really. It's going to be pet and animals. Yeah, in this case, it's pets and animals. We're going to put that right there. So now we go. We're ready to go. So we've done everything here. The checklists are done. We don't have anything to worry about. But you know what? Let's play the video and let's decide together if this video is AI. Well, there's our bear fishing. And there's our bear eating. So maybe we're going to add a little AI to this and say, wow, made for kids. You know what? If the bear wasn't actually eating fish there, I'd say yeah, who cares, right? So down here, what do we got? Altered content, let's go yes. Doesn't make real people appear. Alters footage of a real event or place, not really. Generates realistic look. You know what, I think we can all agree that the bear fishing is not, we're not taking anything realistic here, so we're going to leave that as no. So let's go ahead, hit next. So here we are. We're going to add an actual end screen. And because I haven't done one before, we're going to start from here. We're going to add one video and best for viewers. We're going to have that there. We're going to have our subscription there. The only thing we really want to do is slide this down to the last few minutes. Because if you notice, this video is only 38 seconds long. I do not want this thing on the screen the whole time. So we're going to slide these two guys right down to the very end here. And only have it play for like the last 5 seconds about. So that'll be up there on the screen. So let's hit save. And again, you have options here. This could have been most recent upload, best for viewers, which I normally leave, and or choose specific videos. So depending on what you're looking at, if you're doing a rolling playlist where you're going to have 3 videos in a row and they're telling a story, or you're teaching something and it's part of a class, well, then you definitely want to have the next video to appear in this box here. So you just basically choose the video, place that video here, and this way they run in series. So let's hit save. We're all set and ready to go. Again, we hit next. And then, it's checking for copyright. So there's no infringements because I used all my licensed music and videos to do this. And you can either have it as unlisted. So if you want to schedule or something, you can certainly do that. hit the schedule option here, and you can pick when you want to have that go up there. But I'm going to go straight for a publish. Now, some people say you should hang on to it. If it hasn't rendered in high def yet, then I would wait for it. This is a very short video, so we can certainly just go to publish. There's no right or wrong time to publish a video. In further videos down from now, I am going to show you how to look at when your actual viewers are watching your videos, and you may want to publish it at that particular time to catch on people's trends. Like, this is when they come to watch your video, so let's publish at that time, so this way it's new content when they come on. It's very exciting when you see something just published, just aired, and you get to watch it. So let's hit publish, and we're going to be all set there. It's a very nice little video, simple enough. Once you hit publish, we're going to wait for this to go, save itself, get itself all set and ready to go. So here it's giving you some, if you have a Facebook page, stuff like that, that's connected, or maybe you have some Reddit forums that you go part of, this is where you would share that. Same thing with X. If you know you've got viewers out there waiting for your content, there you go. I wouldn't necessarily share it with friends and family, because unless whatever your video is happens to be exactly what they're lined up, it'll kind of tell the algorithm the wrong story. So now if we look at content, there it is. There's my very first video I ever uploaded on this channel, which was not when I started this channel, but the very first video. So I've left it there. That's all the way back in 2009. Now we're October 10th, 2025. And here's a little bear video. So let's take a look at what that looks like on YouTube. Little video, would you say? Considering I didn't have to make it, it was all there. That's what you get when you actually subscribe to a program called Artlist. Now, of course, my videos are normally education training videos. Teaching stuff like this is just, you know, a great way to add a little video content to your whole system. The audio is nice and loud, nothing's distorted. That's all very, very important. So remember, if this video helps you out, don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe down at the bottom. Let me know how it worked out for you, and if there's any other videos you'd like me to do. So there you go. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.